Fort Worth dust to DC lights, 2,300 miles of days and nights. Barefoot paws on a long hard line, walking peace 1 mile at a time. There's a heart-shaped mark on his forehead white, like he was born with a reason to shine. No leash, no hurry, no need to explain. He walks with the monks through sunshine and rain. One step at a time, that's how he goes. Across hot asphalt, wet fields, cold roads. He don't judge the world, just sees it pass. With kindness in